guys, it's vlog time.
So we just finished. We're about to go to the beach.
I have iced coffee and I took a cup.
Isn't that Franco?
Ew, okay, I look like a man.
That's the chicken nugget.
Wait, I don't get that joke.
It's just, he's a chicken nugget. In that case, I'm a spaghetti noodle.
In that case, I'm a ramen noodle. The one holding the phone is kind of weird. She's down her straws like a cannibal. Mukbang. So guys, it's kind of windy and we're going to the beach. But it's warm. Hold my arm out, like that's so. Hey, you can do it.
I turned it around now so I can run until. Ooh, it's really good lighting out here. Okay.
Lay down.
Okay, lay
down.
The current like took us all the way down there.
I'm like cool with getting like drug across the ocean. She's drinking out of a pineapple.
Wow. How's your day going? Good. That's bad.
Pretty freaking horrible.
Ah! Oh, Noah's hugging me, guys.
First time's a charm.
First time getting dunked on. Kind of nervous. Hey, babe.
It's kind of sucky because
My dream wreck.
Oh!
Oh my god, are you?
That was so. And Max is getting his hair dyed.
Blue. Okay,
Teal,
ready?
apparently. Okay. So I'll see you whenever they get an update. Noah's back.
Let go.
Max, seriously.
Stop. So, she pretty much explained that. That's
Okay, update. Her mom is back, so we're heading back up there.
Okay, Max, tell us about your day.
Good.
Bad, in the middle. What'd you get?
French toast and bacon.
Which part was your favorite, the French toast or the bacon? Down, but I'm not gonna get any darker or sunburnt because it's
no
cloudy. This is what the sky
Max.
looks like. It's white, and that's Max.
Max, what? Max.
My Carmex isn't in there. If that's what you're looking for.
Oh, never mind then. I'm
going to be using the same chapstick that she's just now using. I didn't take my Carmex because it wouldn't melt. Even though it's like not hot out here at all. But for a cold day, well, it's not really not hot yesterday. But it's not really cold. It's just a really good day for a beach day, even though it's not sunny. Is the water very warm?
No, it's Italian ice.
I
kinda want
I have
some.
$4.
Stop him. Go stop him, Deanna. You're cute. Good. Thank you.
Yeah, do you guys want more than? Do you guys want more?
Crazy cones. So, let's let the beach. husband Kylie home. My husband Dan home. And I'm going to go get a haircut. I didn't get tan, but my tan line is good.
The sun's starting to come out.
Yeah.
I think our beach day was very successful.
It was really, really fun, like how we went to breakfast and then went to the beach and stuff. Yeah. But if it would have been like very sunny outside, it would have been better. And the waves weren't like, the current wasn't so bad, it would have been really fun. Yeah. So I think today was really fun, just minus the sky.
My perfect day.
Yeah. But,
no, what happens to me is this is the end of our vlog.
I look like a man.
today was a great day.
Subscribe, click that bell, check out our social media.